Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2025 Ford F-350 LARIAT. Coming in this nice agate black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 6.7 liter power-stroke turbo diesel engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the FX4 off-road package and the black appearance package. Taking a look at the back here, we got that tow hitch, rear park sensor, we got side bed steps, mud flap, we got a bed, backup camera, tailgate step with a bed liner, and you do get a bed camera as well. We do get platform gripped running boards, mud flaps on the front, trailer tow mirrors, blind spot detection, side view camera, spotlight and turn light indicated mirrors. And moving to the front, we do get two tow hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black leather interior, plenty of door space, B&O sound system, floor mats, carpet interior. We do get flat fold storage system, cup holders, 2 heated back seats, 2 USB-Cs, and 120. And you can fold that down for cup holders and arm space, and you can lift up the seats for additional storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats with the same leather interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, power door mirrors. We do have memory seating for up to 3 drivers, parking brake, pedal adjusters, tailgate lights, and spotlights all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 26.3 kilometers. We do have a heated leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at our main screen here, we do get our comm screen, which tells you our distance to empty, your digital speedometer. But we do get My View, Trip and View, your gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we get tons of storage with the wireless charging pad and some outlets, and it does close. You got cup holders and more if need be, more storage there. Got that leather-wrapped center console with even more storage with a light and some outlets down there. We have our drive modes, rear locking diff, and four-wheel drive, trailer brake. And looking over here, we do have heated and cooled front seats with dual climate, 120, 12 volt. Clicking there, we got storage above and below, storage right here, and we got 6 upfitter switches, which you can set up however you please with a nice rear window opener. We also do get our features for our twin panel moonroof, engine brake, and hill. Looking here, we do get our audio that has Sirius XM capabilities, Bluetooth, and all that fun stuff. We got our phone, navigation, your fave apps such as messaging, email, all that fun. Apps in general, or any apps you download, such as your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You got your settings such as personal profiles and all that fun. And your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is EC35560, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.